Keeping your motors running and your electrical system safe is a full-time job. The Fluke 1587 FC insulation multimeter helps you to find small problems before they turn into catastrophic failures, quickly finding shorts in the wiring system and spotting motor windings in need of repair. And because the 1587 FC works with Fluke Connect, it can also save, store, and transmit data and historical graphs to your smartphone. The Fluke 1587 FC insulation multimeter's trended graphs work with new polarity index and dielectric absorption ratio tests to help you identify moisture and contamination faster. And with varying temperature conditions, the new temperature compensation helps establish accurate baselines when doing historical comparisons over time. The 1587 FC tests the integrity of insulation from 50 volts up to 1000 volts and 2 gigaohms. In addition to enhanced insulation analysis, you'll enjoy all the multimeter functionality you expect from the 1587, including a VFD low-pass filter to accurately test variable speed drives, as well as other tests for complex motor troubleshooting and capturing intermittent events. To learn more about the Fluke 1587 FC insulation multimeter, contact your Fluke representative